In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix low memory warning in Roblox error code 292. This problem occurs if your phone or PC doesn't have enough space. So the first method is check the memory of your device and free up some space if needed. The second method is clear local app data cache. To do this, just go ahead and press the window plus R keys to open run. And then type %local app data % and press enter. So in here, you have to look for temp folder and then open it up. Once open, go ahead and find the ROBLOX folder and then delete that one. Don't worry because deleting this folder will not change any in-game settings. Okay, so let's move on to the third method. The third method is close unnecessary background apps. In your task manager, you can close any task there or unnecessary apps before playing Roblox. Okay, so the last and fourth method is uninstall and install Roblox. So all you have to do is press Windows plus R keys to open run and then type appwiz.cpl and press enter. So this will open up programs and features. And then you have to find the Roblox desktop app and right click and click uninstall. Okay, now to install this one, just go to your Microsoft Store and type in Roblox and install it again. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.